Gold daily time frame last week was very dangerous for all the beginner trader. Price tested this static support zone area near 3270, three retest and major reversal last Friday. You can see this big vertical blue candlestick which came after NFP number. It is shocking, and more shocking is NFP reaction, because that NFP number now below 100k, because old number now revised down, and obviously you have more than one NFP number which is lower than 100k. It is very weak, and it is weak enough to justify their rate cut. Everyone is saying if Fed have access to that NFP number before that July FOMC, then sure they would have cut interest rate by now. But NFP came later, they skip cut. But after this shocking NFP revision, Fed have all the reason to cut rate in September month. But problem is there is more than 1 month before next FOMC meeting. I don't believe what market thinking and what they will do, because Jackson Hole meeting is only most important, and it is too early to justify rate cut or pause in September FOMC meeting. But after that big NFP number, everyone is pricing for September FOMC meeting rate cut. That's why there was a vertical jump in gold price. Or you can say for beginner trader, all the trader who sold on this perfect support zone retest, all seller gone in one day. And this last wave, last Friday, 50 and 61% retracement zone, that's complete. Watch carefully. Same to same resistance area like last week, 3380. That is main resistance level. Because after that, retest of upper part of the range, 3430, that is last resistance. But most important thing is after NFP number, it is highly political. Everyone know it is Biden playbook. So weak NFP number to justify rate cut. Trump hate that weak NFP number so much, instantly he fired BLS commissioner. One FOMC member resigned. So before Powell leave in May 2026, now Trump have chance to justify rate cut. Because Trump already said before big NFP number, he think Fed will cut in September month. And now we have weak NFP number to justify a rate cut. So Trump instantly fired BLS commissioner on weak NFP number. That is big political decision and very shocking. I think this is the main reason gold jumped $70 in one day. Because first Trump was saying he will fire Fed chair, but after big NFP number, instantly he fired BLS commissioner, and that is a big political decision. And before Monday market open, you have one more war news: nuke to save from Russia war. So full chaos factory before Monday market open, politics and war. And after this sharp reversal from this support zone area, COT, there was large spike before FOMC peak. When it crashed, they dumped. Despite major reversal in gold last week, they dumped gold last week. So COT turned on sale side. Maybe gold can stay sideways this week, but I hope gold will continue its sideways range below 3430. So if 3270 was support, then 3380 is resistance, perfectly on fifth zone. On this area, you trade with bearish bias and manage your risk up to 3430. Despite that weak NFP number and big political decision from Trump to fire BLS commissioner instantly after weak NFP number, FOMC member resigned. A new nuclear war news. Despite all of those shocking things, why gold can continue its sideways range below 3430. That's mean from 3430 to 3380 area. That is again a sale zone. Because if you compare this sideways range last year and this new range side by side, the 2024 and 5, and compare everything side by side, then not easy for range breakout, because last year Powell found any reason to cut interest rate, but this year he found any reason to pause interest rate. You have President Trump constantly calling for rate cut, two FOMC members voting against rate cut. Still Fed is not cutting rate. Now we officially have very weak NFP number, so weak that politically instantly President fired BLS commissioner, because that thing is more important than NFP number itself. If we compare September 2024 and 5 FOMC meeting, currently there is no news, nothing to justify that Fed will skip rate cut again in September FOMC meeting. But compared to last year, if Fed secretly planning for again rate pause in September or decrease lower than 50 compared to last year, then that will be big shocking change. Because after this vertical melt up, Friday closing, trader again must be asking once again 4000 gold price, or indirectly you can say same to same like last year, gold will go up again $1000. But for that 4k gold price, more $1000 gold upside, you need repeat of September 2024 FOMC meeting, same to same, minimum 50 basis point rate cut. If this time cut size is lower than last year or they skip, then extremely bad for gold. That old trend, dump dollar, buy gold, which is happening, it can reverse. Because to win investor confidence, dump gold and buy back dollar, Fed have great chance after this super dovish weak number last week. Very weak. Despite this, if Fed skip rate cut in September, then that will be clear confirmation this is independent central bank only care about monetary policy, fight against inflation. For simple way you can say, for clear range breakout, for gold to fly outside this range same to same like last year, Fed have to cut same to same like last year, big size 50 and full dovish speech. Otherwise, it is just a counter trend correction and upside is up to 3430. Once correction over, first Jackson Hole speech, price will break down again last week low 3270. Exactly 1 year ago during this time, market was crashing, everything was going down, and market was begging for 75 basis point emergency rate cut. But right now market only pricing for 25, and that is a big difference compared to last year. Ultimately Fed delivered 50. If Fed skip once again or cut only 25, then compared to last year, this does not justify gold flying outside the range. So strong region gold stay below 3430. This can be correction, and major support 3270. It break down in future. Monthly time frame, last 4 months gold sideways, no change, because tariff uncertainty decreasing day by day. That's why gold sideways. So ABC wave, high chance wave C ended, but caution again same for entire August month. Month closing either below 3200 or above 3500. Intraday H4 chart same to same resistance 3380 most important. Below this area gold is still bearish. Gold is highly overbought, need counter trend correction. When this area retest, you can start selling counter trend. But I think gold can stay sideways near 3380 this week. But simple way I can say, during this time last year market was pricing 75 basis point cut. This time 25 basis point cut is not fully priced in. If Fed repeat dovish September FOMC meeting same to same, gold will fly 4000. If not, then sideways range will continue and gold will fall back to 3250. Hard to tell what Powell will do. And only question is this repeat of 2024 or end of gold bull market?